It's actually got little glitter particles in it. It's grey, light grey and dark grey. So that's what the paper looks like. So this is what the living room looks like when you walk in the living room door now. That's my PC set up, a lamp, my sofa. The curtains have obviously to go up, the mirrors to go up, the rugs down, TV console. This is what this area looks like. We've still to put something up there and something, that big mirror up on that wall. So this is it for this angle. Not finished, we've still got stuff to go up on that fireplace wall, something in there, and probably prints on that wall or the fireplace wall, one of the two. The console TV unit wall. So this vase is from the range, so is the flowers. The candlesticks are a family member's that are spray painted silver. This shelf is going to go up somewhere. That's from B&M. Just a wee shelf. That's what it looks like. B&M. So it's just for small wee things. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put that yet. The cushions are for B&M. The rug is from the internet, Amazon. Cushions, B&M. Curtains, B&M. Throws, B&M. The lamp is for the range. The light shade is from the range as well. This mirror I've had forever. The wee elephant, that's from the range. The console table for the PC is from Amazon, but the range sell it as well. So I will try and link everything down below. That is from Amazon as well. The console table. I'll try and link everything down below, and once everything's finished and the curtains are up, we will show you the finished product there as well. And once the mirror's up, that candle and candle holder is from the range as well. That's the overview. I'll show you it once the pictures go up and once the curtains as well, if we can get the frames today. This is a little overview from my kitchen door, looking into my living room. So everything will be listed and linked down below that I can list and link. I've not finished putting things in the cabinet I have up there. I've got crystals to go in there that were my mother's and my father's and my grandmother's, so that'll be quite good. I've got another photo picture to put up there. Piece of art, whatever you want to call it. That's the cushions, couch, lamp. Wee shelves been put up. Big mirror's been put up. So this is how it's looking just now. We've still to get curtains up. A few other wee bits and bobs. New chair for my PC. That's the new one that's to go in. Haven't got it yet, but we'll be getting it soon. Now this is a picture or a video of the curtains. I ended up going to the range and buying this other set because the last set that I showed you, or the last set that I was going to put up, were not any good. They weren't hanging right. So this is the ones that we ended up going with. Nice simple eyelets, grey, but it's kind of like a wee woven texture. Then I've got these wee crystal tie backs, which are super pretty. And I go right down to the floor. Obviously the same on that side. And the wee crystals, actually I have put little handles on the doors as well. Crystal handles. So these crystal handles are from B&Q. And the other ones round the curtains are from the range. I've still to screw in my cabinet to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. That's what these screws are for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, just ask down below in the comment section. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos on my channel. Like the video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.